वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. My name is Jasdeep Kaur, also known as Kenny Gogia. I'm the holistic health coach. Tell me honestly, has this ever happened to you? You want something so badly. You daydream about it, you plan for it, you count the days until it's yours. And then, when you finally get it, it's not as sweet as you imagined. Maybe that's a new phone, a bigger house, that dream vacation, a relationship, or even a big achievement at your work. At first, honey. Later, sand in your mouth. Today's Hukamnama from Sachkhand Shri Darbar Sahib Amritsar by Shri Guru Nanak Dev Ji at Ang 438 of Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji explains this so beautifully through the story of a black deer. And honestly, we are all that deer. So Guruji says, Tu sun harana kalya ki vadiye rataram, which means, listen, O black deer, why are you so attached to the orchard of passion? So the Guruji is saying here, why are you so hooked to the shiny orchard of temptations? In real life, this orchard could be endless Instagram scrolling, late night junk food, gossip, quick thrills. They look juicy. But the more you chase, the more you keep getting trapped. We confuse excitement for fulfillment. Excitement fades, fulfillment deepens. So now Guruji says, Bikh phal meetha 4 din, fir hove tata ram, which means the fruit of sin is sweet for only a few days, and then it grows hot and bitter. So the sweetness is temporary. Like a crash diet, thrilling when you lose weight in a week, but the damage comes later. Like impulse shopping, joy of unboxing gone by next week, but the bill stays. So we chase short-term relief instead of long-term resolution. So Guruji further says, फिर होए ताता खरा माता नाम बिन परतापय, which means that fruit which intoxicated you has now become bitter and painful without the Naam. So this means the same thing that once made you feel alive can drain you when there is no higher purpose attached. Think of overworking, exciting in the beginning, exhausting when meaning is missing. We mistake obsession for commitment. One drains, the other sustains. So now Guruji says, Oho jev sayar dehe lahari bijul jeeve chamkai, which means it's temporary, like the waves on the sea and the flash of lighting. Here now, gone in a second. Like gossip or a trending reel, exciting now, forgotten tomorrow. So we live for momentary highs instead of lasting states of being. So that's why Guruji says, हर बाजो राखा कोई नाही सोए तुझे बिसारिया, which means without the Lord there is no other protector, but you have forgotten Him. So this means that we keep placing our trust in the things that can vanish overnight, a job, a market, a person. We put faith in unstable structures instead of unchanging truths. Now, at the end, Guruji says, Sach kahe Nanak chet re man, marhe harna kalya, which means Nanak speaks the truth. Reflect upon it, O mind, you shall die, O black deer. So time is short. Running after illusions will leave you empty in the end. We live as if we have forever, but treat the present moment as disposable. See, life is like mathematics. Temporary pleasures are like adding 0 to 0. The total never grows. But add one moment of connection and the whole equation changes. So let's implement this beautiful Hukamnama. Here's a small assignment for you. Today, before you chase something you desire, pause and ask yourself, will this bring me lasting sweetness or will it turn bitter? Write your answer. Don't judge it. Just notice. So implement today's Hukamnama and then you share your experiences with me. Take care. Be balanced. Be happy. ਧੰਨ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ ਦੇਵ ਜੀ ਸਰਬੱਤ ਦਾ ਭਲਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ।